Hello everyone, I am Nanni and this is my channel. Welcome to you all. Today we start mounting the frame and the mechanics of this wonderful model that is Super Avante. Last time I left you saying now I do the pilot, I made something, but perhaps it's better to start mounting from step one. And while I'm waiting to the option parts they arrive, we keep on mounting up to the step we can reach. But before, I would like to tell you something. I have received these two wonderful pieces. What do they are? These are for the Traxxas UDR and are the suspension links, the lower rear suspension links. Aluminium, wonderful. There too, and we will mount them in order to have the car a little bit more like the real one. A little bit more. I don't think they make a real difference driving the car. Perhaps it's a little bit more rigid, a little bit more precise. I don't know. The great advantage of plastic is that it can move and returns at the original position after a shock. This can break or can break plastic to which is attached, but they are so nice. Okay, return to our model. Step one. These are the pieces, and here we have something new. This that goes here and protect from dust the uniball. This into this. First screw. And here we apply the sponge. Then this. One and two, and the protection. Step two. Here we have a lot of things to do. It's just one step, but it could be 1, 2, and 3. These are all the pieces we need, and I have to say that I have never made something like this. This is really new, and I'm very happy. Done! These are the pieces for step 3, and this is greased, and this is a sponge to put here inside. I show you exactly the dimensions and how to. The first one is in place. I recommend you to pay great attention when you put these two bearings. There are other bearings that are very similar. If you put the wrong bearings, you can close this case. Second thing is don't over tight these screws. When you feel that it is arrived, stop it. Don't. Perfect, it works smooth. And now we put the other cover. And now step 4. These are all the pieces with screws. Done! These are all the parts I have mounted in step 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to do step 5, but there's a problem. I still don't have the motor, so I can do this. Then I jump to step 6, mounting the differential. This too. And also this is done. It's a great piece of mechanic. This is very useful. You can grab with this. The diagram is very useful, and now these are the pieces for the first ball diff.
Votre toast, je peux vous le rendre, Seigneur, Seigneur, car avec les soldats, oui, les toreros peuvent s'entendre. Pour plaisir, ils ont les combats. Le cirque est plein ce jour de fête, le cirque est plein d'automate. Le spectateur est dans la tête, le spectateur c'est un peu après fracasse, apostrophe, tu sais ta page, pour c'est jusqu'à ce l'empereur, car c'est la fête du courage, c'est la fête des gens de guerre. Alors, en garde, allons, allons, toréador, en garde, toréador, toréador.
Fantastic. It's not very free. It's quite compressed. Perfect. One. Then
Je bien oui songe combattant que ne noir.
in the unboxing I told you these were for shock absorbers. Sometimes they put on the shock absorbers where there's the air reservoir, but also here inside they are the same piece. 1 and 2. Okay. Step 6 is done. Step 7 and step 8. These two steps, this especially, is for me temporary, as I don't have the engine, and so I will mount this cover, this carter, but just ready to be removed to mount the engine. In this step they say to mount this that are a sort of exhaust, a manga exhaust. I don't like them at all. This is an electric car, so I don't mount this. This is like a toy. I don't like. And step 8 it's just this piece with these screws. It's very easy. Grease there. Let's do it.
L'amour t'attend. On fait silence, à casa.
Step 9 and step 10. Here we have something new. These pieces. I never seen this way to mount this pin. Really, this is a very new model to me. New solution, new technology. I like it very much.
Le taureau se lance en bannissant auditorie. Il s'élance, il entre frappe en chevelure, entraînant un pic d'or. Ah bravo taureau, il est le
Done. Step 10 is done. This was a little bit tricky. As it is all in plastic, I suggest you not to put grease here, as plastic will be grinded a lot with dust, grease. It make a grinding paste. So nice. The design is wonderful. And now step 11 with step 12. We mount all these transmission parts. These are all the pieces. Here we have this nice sponge and bearings, okay. I will mount this because on the rear they are good enough. I hope they are strong, but for sure Tamiya knows what to do. I don't see any peculiar problems. I show you at the end.
Offre s'il crie, c'est un temps maintenant. Allons, en garde, allons, toréador, en garde, toréador. Et songe bien, oui, songe combattant, que le noir te regarde, et que l'amour t'attend, toréador. L'amour t'attend, toréador.
And for today, this is all. I think it's quite enough. Next steps, dampers and so on. By now, comment, like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. So this my new suit, very professional. Now I am a doctor. And ciao a tutti, up to the next.